Hey there, Scott Smith with the Smith team at Keller Williams. Wanted to share another success story with you for a home that we just sold in Oakdale earlier this year, 7076 47th Street in Oakdale. Richard and Pat Krause were just awesome clients to work with. One of the challenges that they had was living in a home that was just not a fit for their lifestyle right now. They were looking to downsize from a lot of stairs, a lot of steps, a lot of yard maintenance. Obviously, we're in fall time right now. They are now settling in to their new townhome that they just built, and I couldn't be happier for them. Some of the particulars about this home: we actually put it on the market as the market was starting to turn, and we really worked with them on getting the home prepared for sale, maximizing the market activity with it. And so we launched our 10-day marketing program with staging, professional photos. We had a lot of work done on the home, ready to go, so that when we did hit the market, we had some great activity. We used our coming soon strategy, so when we launched, we had a ton of showings right away. All told, we ended up listing the home for $425. As the market was starting to slide and shift into a little bit more stable market, we ended up generating 3 offers on the property and sold it for $25,000 over list price. A great success story. Richard and Pat couldn't be happier, and we are just so grateful that we had the opportunity to work with them. It's a success story that we like to share with you, because if you've had a poor experience working with another agent, or maybe just weren't able to accomplish the housing needs that you wanted to, reach out to us. We specialize in working with families in the Twin Cities and being able to help them move from one home to the next. We've got years and years of experience, and probably 2,000 or more homeowners that we've been able to help accomplish their real estate dreams. So certainly reach out to us. We'd love to be a resource for you. Even if we just want to have a conversation about how we can help you, what makes us different from any other realtor, we've got 25 plus years of experience that we'd be able to share with you and be able to help you out. So certainly reach out to us, 651-777-3434. Thanks, and have a great day.